This is the Olbers Paradox Interactive Calculator, which computes stellar flux and sky brightness under different cosmological assumptions. The calculator has a calculation mode dropdown with 5 options: total integrated flux for an infinite universe, sky brightness for a finite age universe, sky brightness for an expanding universe, flux from specific shell, and maximum observable distance. For this demonstration, I'm using total integrated flux. The input fields are star number density in stars per cubic meter, average star luminosity in watts, maximum distance in meters, age of universe in years, Hubble constant in kilometers per second per megaparsec, shell radius in meters, shell thickness in meters, and target sky intensity in watts per square meter per steradian. Using the default values, star density of 1e53, luminosity of 3.828 e26 watts, maximum distance of 1.3 e26 meters, universe age of 13.8 billion years, Hubble constant of 70, shell radius of 1e25 meters, and shell thickness of 1e23 meters. The calculator returns an integrated flux of 4.976 EA1 watts per square meter, sky brightness of 3.960 E2 watts per square meter per steradian, and comparison to Sun showing 3.66 E4 times solar flux. These results demonstrate why our night sky remains dark despite an infinite universe. Find the link in the description below.